Canon has long held a dominant position in the imaging industry, shaping the direction of digital photography for decades through consistent innovation in both hardware and imaging science. From DSLRs to its current mirrorless EOS R system, the company has repeatedly adapted to shifting creative demands while maintaining a strong reputation for color science, reliability, and ease of use. With the original EOS R8 already finding success as an entry point into full-frame mirrorless shooting, attention is now turning toward its successor, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II. The existence of this next-generation model is driven less by routine product cycles and more by a rapidly changing creative landscape where photographers and videographers expect more performance, more flexibility, and more intelligent automation in a single compact body. The modern camera market is more competitive than ever before. Sony continues to push boundaries in autofocus and sensor performance, Nikon has strengthened its position with hybrid-oriented bodies, and Panasonic remains a strong contender in video-centric workflows. In this environment, Canon cannot rely on legacy reputation alone. It must deliver cameras that clearly improve on previous generations while also competing directly with rivals that increasingly blur the line between photography and cinema tools. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is expected to be Canon's response to this pressure, designed to balance high-quality stills performance with advanced video capabilities while remaining accessible to enthusiasts and professionals alike. At the center of the expected upgrade is a new 30.3-megapixel full-frame sensor. This sensor is anticipated to deliver improved sharpness, better dynamic range, and enhanced tonal gradation across highlights and shadows. The goal is not just higher resolution, but more usable image quality in real-world shooting conditions. Photographers working in landscapes, portraits, or low-light environments would benefit from greater flexibility in post-processing and improved detail retention. This sensor upgrade alone positions the Canon EOS R8 Mark II as a meaningful step forward over its predecessor, especially for users who rely on image quality as their primary creative tool. Autofocus performance is another major area of development. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is expected to return in an improved form, powered by enhanced AI-driven subject recognition. With a dense focus point system covering a large portion of the frame, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II should offer faster and more accurate subject tracking across a wide range of scenarios. This includes human eye detection, animal tracking, and recognition of fast-moving subjects such as vehicles or athletes. For action photographers and wildlife shooters, this improvement could significantly increase hit rates and reduce missed moments, especially in unpredictable environments. One of the most requested upgrades from the original R8 is the inclusion of in-body image stabilization, and the Canon EOS R8 Mark II is widely expected to address this gap. A 5-axis IBIS system would allow photographers to capture sharper handheld images at slower shutter speeds, while also providing smoother handheld video footage. This feature is particularly important for travel photographers, street shooters, and content creators who often work without tripods or external stabilization systems. By integrating stabilization directly into the body, Canon would significantly improve the camera's versatility in real-world use. Speed is another area where the Canon EOS R8 Mark II is expected to improve. Rumored specifications suggest continuous shooting speeds of approximately 12 frames per second using the mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This level of performance would make the camera suitable for sports, wildlife, and event photography, where capturing fast action is essential. Combined with improved autofocus tracking, these burst rates would ensure that critical moments are not missed, even in fast-paced environments. Low-light performance is also expected to benefit from an expanded ISO range. With sensitivity potentially ranging from ISO 100 to 51200 and extendable beyond that, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II should perform well in challenging lighting conditions. Improved noise control and better sensor efficiency would allow photographers to maintain image quality even in dim environments such as indoor events, night street photography, or concert settings. Video capabilities represent one of the most important upgrades in the Canon EOS R8 Mark II. The camera is expected to support uncropped 4K recording at 30 frames per second, along with oversampled 4K at 60 frames per second with a crop. Full HD recording at up to 120 frames per second would also enable smooth slow motion capture. These specifications position the camera as a strong hybrid tool for creators who need both high-quality stills and professional video output from a single device. In addition to resolution and frame rate improvements, Canon is expected to include advanced video recording features such as 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording and Canon Log 3 support. These tools provide greater flexibility in color grading and post-production, allowing filmmakers to achieve cinematic looks with more control over dynamic range and color depth. Rolling shutter performance is also expected to improve, resulting in more natural motion during fast pans or handheld shooting. Thermal management has been a concern in many compact mirrorless cameras, and Canon is reportedly addressing this with an improved heat dissipation system. This would allow longer continuous recording times without overheating interruptions, especially during extended 4K video sessions. For content creators and filmmakers working on long takes, interviews, or event coverage, this improvement could make a significant difference in reliability. Battery life is another practical area of improvement. The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is expected to use the LPE6NH battery, offering longer shooting endurance compared to the original model. This upgrade would be particularly beneficial for wedding photographers, travel shooters, and professionals working in remote environments where charging opportunities are limited. In the end, the Canon EOS R8 Mark II is not just an incremental upgrade. It represents Canon's broader strategy of refining its mirrorless lineup to meet the expectations of hybrid shooters who demand both quality and versatility. If the rumored specifications prove accurate, it could become one of the most important mid-range full-frame cameras in Canon's recent history, offering a balanced combination of performance, usability, and creative flexibility for a wide range of users.